Dr. David was just whispering in my ears that you need to remit, after this session, to remit to him marketing fee for the pharmacy and Kenya Airways. Anyway, thank you so much. You've touched an important point that, regulatory affairs is one of the units that is not taught in campus. And even during the internship experience, I think for those who went to serious companies, you might have an opportunity to learn. But for those who didn't go to serious companies, you may not have had an opportunity to learn. So this course comes in to fill that gap, and I think it's important that any pharmacist, you should have knowledge on regulatory affairs. Yeah, any pharmacist, you should have knowledge on regulatory affairs. Personally, I had not envisioned that at some point I may go out to seek knowledge on regulatory affairs, but here I am, having trained on regulatory affairs, because I realize it's important, an important aspect or a pillar that will contribute to where I'm going. So thank you so much. The next person that I would like to invite to give, hey, kama ameenda kwa chakula, but it is well. Ijai. I can give my insights. All right. Allow a time to serve. All right. Personally, how I am wired. I had to go slow on that. It's where I'm coming from. So how I am wired. Regulatory affairs, as I mentioned, was not one of the things that was on my bucket list. But I realize it's an important knowledge that I need to contribute towards where I'm going. I'm really good in projects. I'm really good in public speaking. I'm really good in my areas of interest is in public health. I found myself in supply chain. Immediately after my internship, I stepped into entrepreneurship. It wasn't an easy ride, but we picked the lessons after 12 months. And after that, did a couple of things, worked at Cash at some point, where she's working. After that, did digital marketing. So I'm an amorphous pharmacist, but I realized regulatory affairs was an aspect that was missing in my quiver of arrows. And so I thought, since this course is available, of course, I tried learning by myself. And I realized I was taking much time to grasp the concepts, because during my internship, I didn't have a good experience to pick what I needed to pick. And I saw this course was advertised, and I reached out to Kelvin. He said, of course, we'll have cohort 2 in August. And I thought, well, let me enroll and see what I'll be able to gather out of this. And the experience was good. I share in the same sentiment as Ashil. Online classes are difficult. Online classes are difficult. I don't know why, but online classes are difficult. You get distracted easily. You're using your laptop. You see a YouTube video popping up. You're carried away. The class is for 2 hours on a Wednesday, 7:30 to 9:30. It gets to 8:30, your attention span, kaput. Especially, I'm a morning person, so by 10, I'm zoned out. So by the time it gets to 8:30, my neurons have started taking an off. And so it was difficult, but I tried, I managed. And it's good that the recordings are there. I'll be revisiting the recordings. By and large, it was a great experience, especially being taught by your peers. It's a great experience, and appreciating that there is more that I need to discover in the space of pharmacy. I haven't yet scratched every corner that I need to scratch. There's more that needs to be discovered. And I'm hoping that I'll be able to explore opportunities in times to come where I can put to practice my knowledge. I do consultancy on pharmacy business, and regulatory affairs is part of the things that I do consultancy on. So that is a good arsenal that I've added in my quiver. I'm talking all this so that line yenyu ifikiwe chakula. So don't worry. Yeah, naona inakaribia kufika. Yes. Yeah, so those are the things that I do. And I remember while stating our objectives, why did I want to do regulatory affairs? I was very clear on that. I need to get into consultancy, and I'm glad that we have pharmacists here who are in consultancy. regulatory affairs and other specialties. And that was clear to me. I need to get into consultancy on regulatory affairs, and looking forward to step into that space.